welcome again to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a Asian fusion inspired beef tacos. Alright, so what I'm using for my tortilla is I'm making a pre-made tortilla. It is the sweet Hawaiian flour tortilla, alright? And then for the meat, it's already marinated overnight. Sweet soy sauce, applesauce. The applesauce has the acidity, so that's help the meat tenderize. Fresh ginger, garlic, chili flakes, fish sauce, and ground black pepper, green onion or scallion, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and then just all mixed together. I can smell the sesame oil. Smells good. This is gonna be delicious. Here's your homemade marinade sauce for your Asian fare beef tacos. Alright, so I'm using a flank steak. So what I did, I just trimmed some of the fat and the meat. Right, so what I want to do is I just want to divide this into 3. Okay, and then I just put this in a Ziploc. And then all you need to do, pour in your homemade marinade sauce. Put this in the fridge and then let it marinate for 6 hours or overnight to make sure that all the ingredients, the homemade marinade is gonna be infused into the steak. Alright, so we're start grilling. Ooh, this is gonna be good. That's what you wanna hear. There you go. So probably I'm gonna cook them for like medium well or medium rare, but I like my beef more medium well, so I'm gonna do it medium well. Alright, so let's flip it. Yeah. So this one is not burnt, it's just a glaze or the marinade. Alright, so my beef is ready. So I cook them for like medium well. Alright, so it's not burnt if you see it. This is just the glaze from the marinade. Alright, so let me just turn it off and let it sit for 10 minutes. Wow, I cook it medium well, the way I want to cook my steak. But again, you can cook it the way you want it. You can cook it rare, medium rare, well done. Alright, let me introduce you to my guest for today. I have my darling Rowie and my Mari Jeannie.
Hello.
Alright ladies, cook the tortilla.
So this is how.
Yeah, so it's already. So the tortilla, you guys can microwave them, grill them. Time for assembling! Woohoo! Excited! Alright, I'm gonna lay out. Oh, they look sexy though. So I have my pickled jalapeno and my pickled red onion. Alright, let's assemble this. Oh, it looks fancy and sexy, like me. Ooh! I know my tester here are excited. They can't wait. Ooh. Yum, yum, yum. It looks sexy. Alright, now I can put my carrots. This is perfect for Cinco de Mayo or when you have friends coming over for a barbecue, and you need some margarita, my ladies here, they're so like, come here, ladies. Ladies. See? So You guys want to wear your gloves? The glove is in the cupboard. Mari Jeannie, you know where it is. So I know we're hungry, so we need to hurry up. And Lyle, say hi, Lyle.
Hi everyone. Hello.
That's Rowi's husband. We're just gonna put the pickle last. You just place it like this, and then I'll put it last. You guys wanna put that for me?
Let's see if we can
So
use this.
what I use is I have the tortilla warmer. So when you reheat them, you just put it like this and cover them just to retain the warmness of the tortilla.
Come on, Lyle. I know you want it. I'm so good.
Oh, they're celebrating. Oh my God, me too. I'm hungry. All right, so last one. So I want to use the jalapeno first.
Spicy.
So the recipe for the pickled jalapeno and pickled red onion will be on the description. Ooh.
This one is pure praying to heat.
It's all homemade.
Is that spicy?
On a pickled onion.
No, it's not spicy because I took out the seed. You know when it's so over spicy, it's overwhelming.
You don't want too much spice.
Yep.
Lyle will be like more onions for me.
I'll be like more water.
to learn how
It's
to
too spicy.
So you know, if you guys don't have tweezer like this, you can use the tweezer that you use for your eyebrow or something. Just kidding. So mostly in the kitchen we use like this to do decoration. Like especially.
Beautiful.
Very colorful. Nice.
Yeah, so summery, isn't it? All right. Time for tasting. I have a guest to taste the tacos. All right. Please grab first, my test you guys a guess.
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Let's cheers.
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 Taco.
Cheers, taco. Woo! Very good.
Yeah.
Really good.
The sweetness from the meat, it complements all the vegetables, especially for the pickle. Oh my God.
And the crunchiness.
Tender.
Pickled onion.
Like, you like it?
Really, really good.
They like it! Yay! Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification. Thank you, aloha, mahalo, agyaman, salamat. See you guys next time. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you
you.
guys.